having a blast with my Dash robot. Okay, my class is having a blast as well, but mostly I am. Okay, these robots are so fun, and your students can do everything with you. They can do all of it on their own, actually. Setting it up took me 5 minutes. I think that's the hardest part, is like getting started on it and worrying about that, but it took me less than 5 minutes. And now we're just doing some fun things on it. Let me show you. So it's as easy as downloading the app and pairing your iPad to your robot, and you're ready to go. Now we're gonna make it do some things. Ready? So your students will code this. It tells them exactly how to do it, where to drag, what to do. It has arrows that point and then this little hand that points. Then they press play. Here it goes. Hey, buddy.